Hello everyone, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In this video, I want to show you how to make a half double crochet. So for the half double crochet, I have made a slip knot and I have put 20 chain stitch. I'm going to skip the first 2 chain stitch from the hook and insert your hook into the third stitch from the hook. 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain. Insert your hook into the third chain stitch from the hook. First, yarn over, insert your hook into the third stitch from the hook, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So this is your half double crochet. We will make another one. So yarn over first, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So this is your next half double crochet. I'm going to make 1 full row of half double crochet. Continue. This is my last chain stitch. I'll make my last half double crochet. Two chain, turn your work. So 2 chain stitch is actually a height of 1 half double crochet. Make your half double crochet. You must have same amount of half double crochet with the first row. We had skipped 2 chain stitch in the very beginning, so we have 18 half double crochet in each row. Keep going. I have finished row 2. Please count my half double crochet. This is my 2 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have put 18 half double crochet and 2 chain. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. Bye.